Line drive by Mather, who continues his good work. He has a 1-out single. The Braves have hits in each of the first 3 innings played tonight.
Yep.
High fly ball, well hit left. Abreu going back as far as he can. It's a 3-run homer. How many times, Joe, have we seen the Braves get big home runs that break the ice?
Well, let's hope that's one. That thing cleared the fence by a good margin when it looked like we might have trouble getting out of here because it was hit so high.
Up the middle, another hit for Mather. He's 3 for 4. Fly ball down the right field line. That's going to drop in for the go-ahead hit. Joe Mather, big turnaround second, stops there. A 2-out double breaks the ice. And Atlanta takes a 5-4 lead. And listen to all the Braves fans here.
I mean to tell you, a bunch of them down the first base line behind the dugout and all the way down to the foul pole went crazy when that ball dropped.